This couple were halfway through their vows when they were interrupted by someone who wasn't even invited to their wedding. It was a hornet. It'd become stuck in her wedding dress and they needed to get it out before it could sting her. Luckily, her future husband knew what to do. He undid his bride's dress, not without some heckling and jokes from the audience.
Honeymoon's coming a little early.
He reached in, grabbed the hornet with his bare hand, threw it on the ground, saving the day and saving his bride from some nasty stings.